just stopped at a dollar store, got some water and a few Gatorades and stuff because I really didn't have much in here to drink. But we're about, I don't know, 40 miles inland now. Going to go over to this little river if the little campground's even open, and then but it's so much nicer over here. I mean, it's 70 degrees out. I mean, this is nice day today. So yeah, when the weather's nice and it starts to get warm, you just get that, you know, that burst of energy just plows through you. You just feel like getting so much more busy doing different things and getting out and start actually, you know, making tracks. But we're still stuck here for a few more days in our area, and then we are getting ready and be able to get out of here and get going and doing some fishing and some exploring of some more rivers and some more streams and some more brook trout fishing, hopefully this coming season. So all right guys, let's get to the video. We'll get set up and we can grab some water out of the river and heat some up and get our little shower going. We can get a shower in and do some exploring and hanging out or whatever. And then like I said, we've got only one more day really to polish off one more last doctor's appointment, grab my glasses, my new glasses, and we are basically in about 3 days out of here. We'll head inland, go over to a little lake, stay on there for a while and do some fishing, see if we can pick up a couple pike to eat, and then we'll head over to another little lake and just keep slowly working our way north. It's just I mean, we're into May, so it should start getting a little better here, but within 2 weeks it'll you know, it'll be pretty decent. So we'll keep working our way north and get up into the UP and start figuring out our plan of attack up there. But yeah, it's gonna be nice, but what a nice day today. Holy cow, we got the window down in my shorts. I mean, it's just beautiful today. This is more like it. All right, I don't know if this is going to be open. It wasn't open last year. Maybe May 1st is when they'll actually it opens. I don't know. But the last time I was in here, they've had it gated, and I don't know why they do that. Yeah, they got it the same, and I don't know why they do that. I don't know. The only thing I can think of is this thing is actually closed up and shut down. I don't know why they've done this. I don't get that. So it's kind of frustrating. Dang it, I really wanted to go in there. I'm trying to think, you know, the other place I would go to camp or whatever. Again, I don't want to be too many miles away because I've got to go back to Ludington to do a few things, and it's kind of a bummer because this is the exit. I just don't know why that site's closed. I don't get it. I mean, I know I can camp here, but you know, this isn't anything this is not really what I want to camp. This is a day use kind of an area. This is really not what I'm after. So I don't know. Doggone it. Frustrates me because you can camp right on the river here, right on the creek. So I don't know, I guess I can pull up my stuff and see what I can't find for getting to another place. But like I said, this unit's a little bit limited. I can't get into certain things with this. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, I found a spot that I've been in before. I don't know if we're gonna make this, but I think we'll make it, just because it's just not going to work for us because of this tree. Damn, what a spot though. What a spot, guys. It was a beautiful spot, but it ain't going to work for us. We can't make that sweep. again, you can't take chances with this, you know. I almost hate to even take you back in and show you that spot, because you're gonna cry. But it's right, looking right over the river. It's got a little table that's set. You can sit and have your coffee. Look, I could have parked and looked right over the river, but you're just not going to be able to do it with this. And that's the negative side to this being that big of a unit. You just can't get into some of them areas. But, well, this was the river we were trying to camp on, and but I just couldn't. We just couldn't get back in there. And like I said, I would like to walk back and showed you that spot. That spot was unfreaking real. I mean, unreal. But I already walked in there and I didn't take the camera with me. So, but anyway, this is kind of, I guess what I could do is at least fill my 5-gallon bucket with some water for a shower. There is some other spots. I mean, I've done this area pretty heavy, but the problem is you know, this unit is just too big. That's just where it is, you know. Well, this is not the best spot to be at, but it's a doable spot. And but anyway, yeah, one of the big things, like I said, I've got to come up with a little enduro for a recon vehicle that, or you know, you can stop, throw your vehicle in an area, and then you can go recon stuff. You can't be riding around with that trying to recon. But anyway, yeah, we'll get some water here and we'll hang out here. And like I said, you might not get away with camping here in the middle of the summer, but right now you'll get away with it. Nobody will bother you. And there's a guy who's got a cabin up here. It's a nice river to float. I've floated it before. It goes down to the Manistee Weir down here, and then they pull salmon out, strip eggs, and do stuff like that. At least last time I knew the weir was going. But anyway, yeah, it's a nice little river. A lot of rainbow in here and stuff. I don't think there's any browns that I'm aware of. Somebody's probably floating it here. So, but I think, yeah, like I said, this is not a high concentration of game wardens, or certainly you'll probably never see a sheriff or anything coming through here. So you're pretty good there. And like I said, I'm sure I can stay right there. The other cool thing about the Wayne Diary thing and whatever this type of thing is, if they mention anything, you'd be like, well, I'm jumping on the river first thing in the morning with a couple kayaks. I'm gonna fish and stuff like that. And you know, I can't get into very remote areas, and they usually be just fine. They're not gonna bother you. You know, we're pretty relaxed this time of year up here in northern Michigan. But God, there's some beautiful spots, but you're just not going to get into them with this thing. You got to really be able to get around and get in. But that spot back there was probably one of the best, most beautiful spots there is. So anyway, I'm going to put some, yeah, it's pretty level here. It's not too bad. I'll get solar, because the solar is going to, you know, the sun's going to roll this way and drop there. So I'll get sun most of the day, charge everything up. So yeah, this would be a decent spot for the night. I'm going to get some water. Again, we're in an area where there's no service, so you'll be extremely careful. Once this guy leaves later in the day, I'll come up in here and I'll back a little bit up in there later in the evening when the sun goes down, just because be a little bit better tucked in here and whatnot. But anyway, I just got a bucket of water so we can actually heat up some stuff and everything, and we'll put our little shower out here. It sticks right on here, and we can shower right here. Nice warm shower, which is definitely needed. All right, we got this wall here, and we're gonna try and move the stuff here and slip that in behind. Like I said, it just gets things out of our way, number one, and it's got to go there anyway, and then we'll finish it off as time goes. So we're doing a little bit at a time, but man, I'll tell you what, guys, it is one glorious day today. And I've got my little workstation set up back here, and we're working on things there. So I leave the bucket out here. That'll warm some of that water up. And so anyway, I'm going to try and get that wall back in here, move some of this stuff. This will probably be a incredibly pain in the butt task, but we'll do it and get it back in there and out of our way. That's the key. See what we can do. Well, we got the wall back in there, but ooh-wee, that was a pain in the butt, as I figured it would be. So anyway, and then we moved a little bit here, and like I say, we'll just do a little bit, and I'm kind of done, I think, for the day, because I just don't like to dig into it in a long drawn out, day, because it just gets old then, and it doesn't become fun. We'll shut that off. It just it becomes not as fun. So I want to do a little bit and then whatever. But anyway, I want to get in here. The one last thing is I got a little dryer vent hose I want to put there, and then out to there to vent out these acid lead batteries, just for safety. I've got a lot of airflow through here and stuff, but still, just try to keep it as safe as possible. Pick up these screws here and see what we can come up with. All right, so we got that little dryer vent kind of put in here, and then it's venting out, from the battery box. And yeah, that kind of gives a little more added security. But anyway, that's basically about the extent of it. We're going to kick back and chill out for the evening, and then we'll put a little bit more up tomorrow for you guys. But yeah, it's been a great day. Been a really super day. You can hear the red-winged blackbirds chirping. So all right, I'm editing and working on this now. I appreciate all you guys watching. Man, I'm getting a ton of subscribers. I love it, guys. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. And I hope you like this and share and comment, and we will see you guys tomorrow on the next video from the Wayne Diaries. Peace out.